everyone. We're going to simplify this rational expression with subtraction. And the hardest part sometimes is to find the LCD. So that's what we're going to do first. So to do that, we are going to have to factor our denominator out. So it's going to be PP. We have a 6 that's positive and the 5 negatives. That's minus 2 minus 3. Minus, then we have 5. And we can factor this, expand it as p plus 3 times p minus 3. So for your LCD, what you want to do, you don't want to overdo it. Least common denominator. You need both of those. And we already have it here. So we need to add that. Or you could say we need both of those. But we have to add that. So let's write our LCD equals p minus 2, p minus 3 times p plus 3. All three of those is going to be your LCD. All right, now we're going to put that under each piece. So we have p minus 2 times p minus 3 times p plus 3. All right, our numerator is 2p minus 3. Now compare the denominators. What's missing is this one. So we had to use this, so we have to also multiply. If we multiply the denominator by p plus 3, we also have to multiply the numerator by p plus 3, or you're changing the whole equation. Now let's do the same thing for the denominator, this one. So write down your denominator. All right. And for this one, the old denominator's here, but we multiplied the denominator by p minus 2, so we're going to also multiply it by the numerator by p minus 2. All right, so that's it. And I always usually put a bracket on this, because especially if it has this minus sign. Now what I'm going to do is duplicate this page. You're not going to be able to see it, but if you ever need to scroll back, it will be there, because I'm going to have to erase, because I don't want to have to keep writing this. So I'm going to duplicate it. So it's been duplicated. Now I'm going to erase this part. So what we're going to do is write this with our LCD and simplify. I just keep writing that until we're finally finished. Write down the LCD. So now let's simplify the numerator. So we're right here. So FOIL this out. You're going to get 2p squared plus 6p minus 3p minus 9. And then we have minus 5p minus 10. All right. Now again, I already have this on the other slide, so I'm going to go ahead and erase this. It's still there if you want to scroll back. Let me erase this real quick and simplify the numerator even further. So basically, let me look at this piece right here. Save some space. This is going to be minus 5p plus 10. So we have 2p squared. Now this, the p's with 6p minus 3p minus 5p. And that's going to give me negative 2p. We also have negative 9 plus 10 is plus 1. All right. Now, let's go ahead and, let's see, write down our common denominator. P minus 2, P minus 3 times P plus 3. And you can't factor the numerator. So basically, this will be your final answer right here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.